Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm so excited to try out this Seraphine Botanicals Cranberry and Dewy Lip Remedy because this seriously sounds like the perfect product for my struggle right now with my lips, which are so dry, so chapped. They look and feel pretty gross. So I really need a lip remedy. And this sounds amazing. I'm a big fan of the Seraphine Botanicals products because it's a brand that uses healthy, organic, fair trade, and sustainably sourced ingredients. And this is actually a product that I chose for my December 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag, which that unbagging video is up on my channel now if you have not seen it yet. And this has so many nourishing ingredients, just like all of the Seraphine Botanicals products seem to have. So this has rice bran and castor seed oils, along with cranberry, raspberry, and goji berry extracts. It's also vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, and this is the full-size product that retails for $22, which I do find expensive for a product of this size because I actually thought this was a sample size at first, but maybe a little goes a long way. It's this pretty bright red color, which I'm going to swatch first because I wonder if it has a tint to it. It really doesn't have much of a smell to it. It slightly smells like berry, but very faintly. I kind of wish this had a stronger scent to it, but it's pretty soft gel texture. Ooh, it has nice shine, but I'm really not seeing any tint of color, but that's okay. It says you just apply it with your fingers, so that is what I am going to do. I have to say I'm not a big fan of applying lip product with my finger just because it's a little bit more messy and I want to layer this up. I don't want to apply a lot of it, so I keep having to dip my finger back in, but it's very easy to apply. I think it's looking completely clear on my lips. And it does feel really nice on my lips. It leaves a pretty sheen. It's not as shiny as a gloss, but shinier than a lip balm. And I love a little shine on the lips. I don't necessarily feel like a little goes a long way. And I do feel like my lips are more moisturized, but I think it even claimed it's like a layer of hydration, and that's really what's happening. There is a layer literally of hydration on my lips right now, but there's still that chapped dry texture that's not going away. And I have tried out so many lip products now that really will deeply moisturize the lips and get rid of any dry texture. And that's really what I'm looking for my extremely dry lips. For my lip remedy, that's what I would want to see. That's what I would expect. And this just seems to more create that layer, and it does help, but it doesn't get rid of the chapped lips that I already have. So it's okay, but I feel like it's not actually really suited for very dry lips, and it doesn't heal dry lips. It might help to prevent dry lips by locking in moisture, but it's not exactly what I was expecting. So yeah, I've given this some time on my lips, seeing if the moisture would, seep into my lips or help at all, but it's really just staying the same. So I had very high hopes for this, and I'm kind of let down. It's so-so, it's not amazing, it's definitely not worth $22. So I'm really bummed about this, but at least now I know. And if you have very dry lips like me, you are considering this lip remedy, like that name just is so deceiving. But I would say try something else. I prefer a lip oil. That seems to really do the trick for me. But if you have tried this out, I would love to hear your thoughts on it in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.